Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Rocket Money features you should be using. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're trying to get your finance under control, Rocket Money can be a powerful helper, especially when you use its strongest tools. First, the subscription tracking features automatically find the recurring bills and show you exactly what's draining money each month. Canceling unused subscription directly through the app also save cash very fast. The next is the spending insight and the categorization, which create automatic breakdown of where your money goes: groceries, bills, fund, savings. Each help you spot leak and relocate fund more wisely. The cash flow forecast and the alert also help you see upcoming bills or when you are about to overspend, giving you the time to adjust before you are caught off guard. The smart saving tools like automatic savings transfer, goal-based savings bucket also make building an emergency fund or saving for a trip simple by chipping away little by little. And finally, linking all your accounts, checking credit card investment gives you a full snapshot of your finance today, so you don't miss anything very important. So if this helped you, hit the like, subscribe for more money smart breakdown, and comment which Rocket Money features you definitely like to run first on your account. And that's it.